Arknights Endfield Factory Ultimate Guide. In Arknights Endfield, the factory system, officially known as the Automated Industry Complex, is one of the most important mechanics for long-term progression. The AIC is responsible for automatically processing raw materials into usable items that are required for crafting, upgrades, and overall development. One of its key advantages is that production continues even while the player is offline, meaning a well-optimized factory will consistently generate value over time. Because of this, efficiency should always be a top priority when designing and expanding your factory. For beginners, the most effective approach is to focus on building and stabilizing a single production chain first. Attempting to create multiple production lines early on often results in bottlenecks, where certain machines stop working due to missing materials. By completing one production chain before expanding, players can better understand material flow, identify weak points, and ensure that every machine operates at full efficiency. This step-by-step method leads to smoother scaling and prevents unnecessary resource waste. Factory layout also has a significant impact on productivity. Keeping the layout simple and compact allows materials to move quickly through the production process. Short conveyor routes reduce delays and make it easier to manage input and output connections. While decorative or complex layouts may look appealing, they often introduce inefficiencies that slow down production. In most cases, a clean and functional design is far more effective than an overly complicated one. Power management is another critical element of factory efficiency. Every machine within the AIC requires a stable electricity supply to function properly. Without adequate power coverage from electric pylons and relay towers, the entire factory shuts down, so maintaining power coverage is absolutely critical. To avoid this, players should always expand their power infrastructure before adding new machines. The blueprint system is a valuable tool for saving time and maintaining consistency. Once a factory layout has been optimized and proven to work, it can be saved as a blueprint and reused later. Blueprints make rebuilding faster and also allow players to import layouts shared by the community, providing access to efficient designs without starting from scratch. Lastly, optimizing for high-value production is essential for faster progression. Items that sell well for stock builds should be prioritized, and machine ratios must be carefully balanced to prevent shortages.